shooting, you're shooting. You're not to shoot. How do you move?
You gotta hold down where it says move.
Joshy, hold that down so you can move.
There you go.
There you go, Josh. Joshy, you gotta go bump. Go bump Uncle Terry. Go get Uncle Terry. Go bump Uncle Terry. Press the motor. Press the one that says motor. Hold it down and you can move. Okay, go ahead. Move with it. There you go. Go get Uncle Terry. He's all the way over there. Go bump him. Bump him hard. Yay.
I need to get away. Gotta get away. I'm missing you, Josh. You lucky sucker.
He's too short. You can't get him because he's too short. Terry, you're getting everything, babe. Sorry. It's good. Serves him right.